Hi there, my name is Nell Reagan. I'm a broadcaster and I now work with Rome Radio Partners, and I work with a station called WRGA News Talk, and I am a talk show hostess.
Are really watching.
Yes,
with,
and hence it's going to be very difficult to build that in.
Today we're delighted to be with you, and some of the tips that I thought about giving to you that might help you in some way are some things I jotted down. So if you don't mind, I will kind of review these from my notes that I've made. To me, radio is one of the most wonderful medias that you could possibly get into, because, you know, television's great too, but to me, radio gives you a sort of an imaginary thing, and you can draw your own conclusions about what you're hearing, and you can even picture that person that is doing the commentary, and you'll try to dream up how they look. So today I'd like to give you 5 tips about what really lets me possess my own feelings about radio and how I come to have these. First of all, tip number 1, explore your thoughts. And are you ready to devote your life to journalism or broadcasting? Because this is a full-time, 24/7, time-consuming vocation. And tip number 2, read every article on current events. Be able to see these things in a double view, because there are 2 sides to every story. And you need to find the truth yourself. Then tip number 3, be diversified in your likes and dislikes. Don't just go down one road. Take all these other little side roads. Be willing to try listening to all types of music, listen to debates, listen to your representatives, your lawmakers, listen to local, regional, and national news, and evaluate your beliefs, and really and truly find that political theory that you've got up there in your head. Tip number 4, be a good listener. Stay focused on your subject. Look them in the eye, and the feeling that's projected from one personality to another one is really what matters in an interview. They are varied in thousands of ways. Nobody's generic. Everybody's different. No one person has the perfect demeanor. In other words, if you're looking at someone and they have that bold look or that scared look, don't let it intimidate you. Make them comfortable, and then you'll be comfortable as well. And then last but not least, be true to yourself. Respect your decisions. You have to like yourself in order to be liked. Trust in your higher power, and mine is the good Lord. See things in the positive and make the present kick off your future. You have to start somewhere. And last but not least, concentrate on your education and extend yourself in every opportunity. Go past your comfort zone. Explore endless possibilities. Be the person that will have something to say and will make people want to listen. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Thank you so much.